Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm good.
Thank you. Well, I'm Ahmed.
You're Ahmed, and where are you from?
I'm from Iraq.
You're from Iraq,
Yeah,
and my name is Paul. I'm from the
yeah,
UK.
yeah. It's nice to
Yeah,
meet you, Paul.
nice to meet you. Um, Ahmed, yeah, my name is Paul. I'm from the United Kingdom.
Yeah. Which city do you live? Are you live in London?
Oh, I did live in London. I no longer live in London. I no longer live in the UK. I live in Brazil, in South America.
Yeah, I know Brazil. And do you like it?
Yes, it's okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Which part of Brazil do you live?
I live in the state of São Paulo.
Oh, it's a big state, São Paulo. It's the nearest
Yeah.
from Rio de Janeiro.
No, it's no, it's not near to there. It's about 1,000 kilometers from there.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So, how long have you been there in Brazil?
about 4 years or so. I have.
That's great. That's a long
Yeah,
time. And
yeah.
yeah, do you live by yourself or with your family?
No, I came to get married.
Yeah,
Yeah. So, Ahmed, may I ask
yeah,
you a question, please? Before
yeah.
we continue, I noticed that we have 1 hour, about 1 hour 48 minutes on the clock. How much time do you normally use?
As you can see, Cambly gives me more minute today. It's almost 2 hours, but I want to spend 15 minutes with you because after 15 minutes, maybe my English word it's almost finished.
Well, um,
Is that okay with you, or do you have a reservation?
I don't have a reservation. No.
Yeah, yeah,
Um, I, I just wondered how much time you wanted to use today.
yeah.
Yeah.
As I said, like I said, I spend 15 minutes with you.
Fine. Good.
Yeah, and if you
So
don't mind, I speak in general and not personal. I just want to practice on my questions.
good.
So
Let's,
if any of my questions don't like to answer, it's okay with me.
hang on. Let's just close the door.
Yeah,
Okay. So we've got about, well, I think about 10 minutes. So we've got about 10 minutes left. So yes, um, I lived in Brazil for about 4 years,
yeah,
and I'm now married to a Brazilian lady.
yeah. It's
Yep.
like you're married. About how long have you been married with the Brazilian lady?
4 years.
4 years.
Just over four
So
years.
yeah. So she speak English.
Yes. Yes, she does.
Yeah.
And how about you? How long have you been with Cambly?
I've been on Cambly like 7 months.
Oh, you've been with Cambly for 7 months now.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. So, what do you think of Cambly so far?
Yeah, I'm always tell my friends to subscribe to Cambly because anyone to want to improve their English, so they must go to Cambly because I think Cambly is the best way and the platform to improve the English language because we practice directly with the native speakers.
That's right. Yeah, and that's what we have on native speakers with Cambly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, why did you want to learn English?
Actually, I have a bachelor's degree in English. I studied English in my college, but that's from a long time. It's about 12 years ago. So at that time, I was not interested in learning English like nowadays, because I was learning just for passing the exam, and now I want to improve my English conversation to be normal. I want to I want to be natural when I speak in English.
Yeah. So you want to be more fluent in English?
Yeah.
I understand that. Yeah, I understand. So have you spoken to many different native speakers since you've been with Cambly?
Yeah, like I think 100 people. I spoke with them from all around the world, from UK, America, Australian people, and Canadian teachers. And I'm happy with that journey because also I learn more about their culture, not just about English.
That's right, because when you learn about different cultures, then you understand why people behave as they do.
Yeah, exactly. And I know their habits there because the differences. All the countries, they have different tradition from from country to country. So I'm learning from them.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
right. So what kind of work do you do?
I have a computer shop. I fix the computers and the laptops, and I sell the accessories of computer.
So do you work with new computers, or do you work with more second-hand computers?
You mean second-hand computers with laptops?
Yeah, do you work with second-hand equipment, or do you sell new laptops and computers?
So you call to the used laptops and computers the second-hand?
Yeah, used, second-hand. Yeah, used or second-hand. It means the same thing. It does. Or do you focus more on selling new laptops?
I sell both of them.
Oh, great.
Yeah, but I earn from the second-hand more than new one.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have had second-hand computers in the past. Yeah, but what I've got here now, I have a laptop that I bought brand new, Lenovo. So
yeah, that's a good one. I have 3 personal Lenovo computers.
So what model do you have?
Like how can I 1503?
Right.
Yeah.
How long have you had that?
Yeah, it's very slim. It's like an Apple laptop.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Very. Yeah. Mine's also quite slim as well.
Yeah.
What I've got is an Idea Pad S145.
You have what?
An Idea Pad.
Idea Pad?
Yeah, what S145 Lenovo.
Oh, I got you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's about 8 gigabyte.
So you use it you use it the iPad
No, it's not
on the social media and YouTube?
It's not an iPad. It's called Idea Pad. It's the name of it.
I
Yeah.
can you write it to search about the idea pad?
Yeah, S145.
So the shape, it's like the iPad.
No, it's a normal laptop. Laptop. Yeah, so I've had that for about a few months now. Yeah.
As the novel laptop. And how did you find it? Is it useful for you?
Oh, it's good. I use it mainly for work on Cambly, but also
Yeah.
for Zoom and other necessary things as well, for documents. Yeah, that comes in very
Yeah.
useful. It does.
So I want to ask you about the screen.
12 and a half,
Actually,
about 12.5 inch screen.
so it's a mini laptop.
I think 12, is it, or is it 14? I think it's a 14 inch, 13 or 14 inch. I'm not quite sure. I forget where it is. I forget the
Yeah,
link.
but it's not 50.6 as usual.
No, but it's about 14 inches.
Yeah, we call it a mini laptop. It's easy to use and it's easy to carry with you wherever you are.
Exactly, and this suits me just fine. It does. I'm not very good with technology, but I'm getting slowly more familiar with it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I understand that. But nowadays it's very important, these devices, because we are communicated through it.
Exactly, we're more technologically minded now than I was in my day many years ago. So many years ago, we never had this kind of technology.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
And I'm talking about 50 years ago.
Exactly, and we were live a normal life without this social media and this kind of new technology, because we had a lot of time to communicate with other people, and nowadays we are busy all the time with our devices.
Yeah, we had. I think it was nice when you could write a letter on a piece of paper and then put a stamp on it and post it.
Yeah. Do you remember when you write a letter and send it to your relatives or your friend and postcard? I think it's very nice memory.
I think they're nice because I think it was a very different world that I knew, and one that I grew up in as a young boy, because I'm 64 now. I'm 64 years of age, so I can remember those times very, very well, But yes, we're well and truly into the technological age now. I'm starting all over again with that.
Yeah, exactly.
I think we've had about 15 minutes now.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to meet you. I want to thank you for your time, and I think I have a great session today with you.
Well, I really enjoyed it, Ahmed. And what I'd like to do is leave you my schedule. So if you want to make a reservation with me, please feel free to do so.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
Take care.
So goodbye for now.
Thank you. Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.